Tell Raf to come online. Yes, tell. Okay, all right. Raf, if you're online, can you then indicate? Use the comment section to tell me you're online. Use the comment section to tell me you're online. Raphael, are you here with me? Let me know using the comment section. Raf, are you with me? Raf, if you are here with me, say something on the comment section. Yes, good evening and welcome to today's class. Today we are having a class on decimal fractions and place values for students in primary 4. So if you are here with me, kindly introduce yourself at the comment section. Raf, are you here? Raphael, say something at the comment section if you are here. Are you here, Raphael? Thank you for joining this class. The class is meant for students in primary 4, but anybody can view it. So kindly let us know where you're streaming from using the comment section. You can just indicate by giving me your name and location. Maybe Raphael from Lagos, Raphael from Austria, Raphael from wherever. Let me know where you're streaming from. We have to start the class in any moment from now. So let me know where you're streaming from. Okay. Raf says he's online. That means I can go ahead with the class. Okay, Raf, good evening and welcome to today's class. Happy Sunday to you once again. Nice having you with me this evening. Nice having you in this class. And I hope you had a fruitful day. In today's class, we shall be looking at place values and fractions. At the last class, we were solving some quantitative reasoning.
Hello, sir.
Okay, is Raf online now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So let's continue online.
Okay, sir.
So, like I was saying, we looked at numbers at the last class, and ordering of numbers was the last topic for the day last week. So in today's class, we shall be looking at place values and decimal fractions. So I said that a decimal fraction is a number with two parts. It has two parts, which are the whole number part and the fractional part. The two parts are separated by a point, and we call that the decimal point. For example, we have 85.217 is a decimal fraction. Before the decimal fraction, we have the whole number part, which I was talking about, and after the decimal point, we have the fractional part. In the whole number part, we read the numbers based on their place values. That's why we call this 85. And after the decimal point, we read out the numbers as they are. For example, this is said to be 85.217. I have heard students reading this out as 85.217, which is wrong. After the decimal place, the fractional part is read singly, 217. So, we shall be taking more examples on place values and decimal fractions. In example 1, we are asked to write the following fractions in decimal. 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10, you are referring to, let's take this to be a rectangle being divided into 10 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just assume this is equally divided and this part is shaded. So we refer to it as 1 divided by 10. And 1 divided by 10 can be written as 0.1. Any number you are dividing by 10, like I said in the previous class, it is assumed that this is 1.0 and the decimal point is at this point. Dividing it by 10, you move it one place to your left, and that gives you 0.1. Or, since I have made mention of the fractional part and the whole number part, the place value for the first figure in the fractional part is called the 10th place, okay, which is spelled as 10th. So the first figure after the decimal point is said to be the 10th, or the place value of the first figure is said to be the 10th. The second is said to be the 100th. Third is said to be the 1000th. After 1000, we have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and the rest. So when you are dividing any number by 10, it's going to be in the 10th place. Also, 4 divided by 10 can be said to be 0.4, while 28 divided by 100 is said to be 0.28, because this is said to be the 10th place and this is said to be the 100th place. So when you're divided by 100, this is what you get. When you're divided by 1000, this gives us 0.125, or just like I said, since we have 3 zeros, you have to move the decimal point 3 times towards your left and you arrive at this. So these numbers are said to be in decimal fractions. This is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. So this is how to write numbers in proper fractions to decimal fractions. So I've converted them from proper fractions to decimal fractions. Raf, I believe you understand what I just did. So we have exercise 1.1, which is meant for you to solve. You are to write the following fractions in decimals. What is 325 divided by 1000? So let me see you do that. I'm going to do number 1A for you. Okay, since I have 3 zeros and the decimal point is said to be at this point, I'm going to move it 3 times to the left, and this is said to be 0.325. Now I'm adding this 0 so as to indicate that we don't have any value in the whole number part, while it is just a fraction. So this is said to be 0.325. So 325 divided by 1000 is said to be 0.325. So Raf, I would like you to do B downwards, okay? So let A be here as an example or as a guide for you. So let me see you solve B. What will be your answer in B? Give me your answers using the comment section. Ralph, you are wrong. Ralph, what you get in B, since we are dividing it by 1,000, the last digit is to take the place value of thousands. The second digit is to take the place value of 100. Then there is no tens, so this is going to be equal to 0.048. Moving the decimal point 3 times, because we have 3 zeros after this. So when you move it this way, it becomes 1, 2, and 3. So you put another 0 here. So this becomes 0.048. For B, this is what you get. So take that correction. Ralph, I'm waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
What's the issue with Ralph?
You want to speak with Ralph?
Is he not looking at the system? Is he not doing what I gave him to do? But he has not given me answers. Let me speak with him. Give him the phone.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ralph, what's happening? I just gave you solution to B. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
So what is wrong? You don't understand?
I thought you said I should wait.
You say what?
I thought you said I should wait.
No, I say you should go ahead and solve. I have solved B. I gave you the correct answer for B. So go ahead and solve C and D and others.
Okay, sir.
Yes, solve them now and submit your answers. You understand what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't understand, you can call me back.
Okay, sir.
Ralph, you are wrong in C. It can be 0.04. What happened to the 8? How many times are you moving a decimal point? That is 48 divided by 100. Your C is wrong. The decimal point happens to be after the 8. So move it 2 times to your left. And if you do that, it's going to give you 0.48, not 0.04. Look at the example I did in B. You will understand. Okay, C is correct. So let me see solution to D. D you said is 0. D is wrong. Solve D same way you solved C. Kindly note, is without the use of calculator. Remember what I said, move the decimal point. Your answer to D is wrong. Your answer to D is wrong. D is wrong. This is to enable you play with the decimal point, okay? This is 48.0 divided by 100. Since we have two zeros in 100, you have to move the decimal point 2 times to your left. So when you move it 2 times to your left, where will it stop? Ralph, I'm still waiting for you. Ralph, D is wrong. Okay, Ralph, this is what to do in D. Let me show you. In D, I said the decimal point is here, and we have to divide by 100. So you have 2 zeros in 100, so you have to move the decimal point 2 times to your left. When you move it once, it gives you this, you cancel this. You move the second time, it gives you this goes out. So your answer is 2.27, which is equal to 2.27. This is your answer. This is what you get, Ralph. So Ralph, that's the solution to D. Okay, your answer to E is correct. Let's see solution to F. Okay, that's for D. Then for E. You are correct in E. F, you said is 0 point. Good. You are getting it now, Ralph. F is correct. Ralph, kindly refresh your page and you'll see that it has been shifted. G, you said is 0.9? Okay, yes, correct. H. That's correct. Ralph, I'm still waiting for you. I, 0.7, correct. Okay, J is 0.007. That's correct, Ralph. Okay, Ralph, that's correct. You got it with We shall then take another exercise. Now, this exercise, I would like you to, I don't know what the time is, but let's see, okay? I don't want to keep you beyond 10 o'clock. So I'd like you to do this as assignment. Now, exercise 1.2 says you should insert the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to appropriately in the boxes below. Now, 0.125, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 125 divided by 1,000? All that is required of you to do is to simplify this in decimal fractions and know if this is greater than this, okay? So you do that for A, B, C, D, E, and F. So I'm going to do A for you. A, we have 0.125. They are asking us what's the relationship with 125 divided by 1,000. So since the decimal point is here in terms of 125, if I move it one time, I'll cancel this, move it again, I'll cancel this, there's still 1 0, so I can move it again, I'll move it again. So this becomes 0.125. Now I'm just doing this so as to confirm what is its relationship with this. Now since this is in fraction, I have to convert it to decimal fraction so as to know what they are. So I now discovered that 0.125 is equal to 0.125. So I'm going to put the equality sign here. Same thing you do, convert this from proper fraction to decimal fraction to see if it will be equal. Okay, and then you give the relationship. That is what is expected of you to do. So do same for all and submit. Now you can use your phone to snap it and then, okay, I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send a soft copy to you, which you will then solve and submit tomorrow. Raphael, is that okay? So we'll end our class at this point for today so that you can sleep and prepare for tomorrow's class. I think in tomorrow's class, we may likely have it earlier than this so that we can spend more than an hour. I can spend more than an hour with you and Sarah. So that brings us to the end of today's class. Raphael, see you tomorrow in our next class. Do have a nice day. I'm going to send you the assignment which you have to do.